Are you dreaming of a lucrative career in ICT maintenance, but worried about what you'll actually earn? Many aspiring tech professionals are blindsided by the salary truth. Stick around because we're about to expose the shocking salary realities for both entry-level and senior ICT maintenance roles that no one else is talking about. First, let's establish the foundation entry-level expectations. What defines entry-level in ICT maintenance in 2026? It generally means positions requiring foundational IT knowledge, often demonstrated by certifications like CompTIA A. These roles focus on basic troubleshooting, help desk support, and routine system checks. Entry-level professionals are the first line of defense, tackling common user issues and ensuring fundamental IT infrastructure operates smoothly. Typical starting salaries vary significantly by region. In the United States, the average annual salary for an entry-level IT support technician hovers around $50,368, translating to about $24 per hour. However, this figure can range widely, with some starting as low as $27,500 and top earners reaching $93,000. Particularly in high-demand areas or for those with more specialized initial skills. For instance, in Houston, Texas, the average is slightly lower at around $47,796. While we don't have explicit data for the UK or APAC in this specific search, generally, major tech hubs in these regions would also show varying, but competitive entry-level rates, often influenced by the local cost of living and tech industry density. Beyond the paycheck, entry-level roles offer invaluable benefits and initial growth opportunities. You gain hands-on experience, learn company-specific systems, and build a professional network. Many companies provide pathways for advancement, often covering the cost of further certifications. It's a crucial stepping stone to understanding the IT landscape from the ground up, moving into mid-career momentum, bridging the gap. This stage is where career trajectories truly accelerate. The critical skills and certifications that unlock significant salary jumps include CCNA for networking, ITIL for service management, and foundational cybersecurity certifications. These demonstrate a deeper technical understanding and an ability to manage more complex IT environments. Realistic salary ranges for mid-level ICT maintenance professionals with 3 to 7 years of experience can see substantial increases. While specific mid-level data wasn't provided, we can infer from the senior data that a significant jump occurs. For instance, senior IT technicians, who would likely have moved through this mid-career phase, average around $58,133 nationally in the US, with top earners reaching $82,000. This indicates a solid progression from entry-level. The importance of specialization becomes paramount here. Choosing a niche like network administration, system security, or cloud support can dramatically impact earning potential. Companies are willing to pay a premium for focused expertise that addresses specific business needs. Next, we reach senior stature, the apex of earning potential. What distinguishes a senior role? It's not just about technical prowess. It's about leadership, complex system management, strategic planning, and often mentoring junior staff. Senior professionals are responsible for critical infrastructure, security protocols, and advising on technology strategy. They troubleshoot the most challenging issues and implement large-scale solutions, unveiling the impressive salary brackets for seasoned ICT maintenance experts shows a significant leap. Senior IT technicians can earn an average of $58,133. But those with 5 to 8 years of experience can reach around $88,176 annually. For senior IT managers with 10 to 19 years of experience, salaries in places like Houston, Texas, can soar to $144,789. These figures clearly illustrate the substantial rewards for long-term commitment and skill development. Case studies of high-earning senior professionals often reveal a path of continuous learning, strategic specialization, and a knack for problem-solving that goes beyond technical fixes to impact business outcomes directly. Now, let's consider beyond the numbers factors influencing salary. Geographic variations play a huge role. Cities with a higher cost of living and strong tech industries typically offer higher salaries to attract talent. For example, while national averages are useful, actual earnings will differ between tech hubs versus more rural areas. Industry specifics also matter. An ICT maintenance professional in a high-stakes sector, like finance or healthcare, where system uptime and data security are paramount, often commands a higher salary than someone in retail, due to the critical nature of their work and the regulatory compliance required. The impact of certifications is undeniable. Specialized certifications in areas like cybersecurity, cloud platforms AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, or advanced networking Cisco CCIE, directly translate into higher earning potential. Continuing education keeps skills current in a rapidly evolving field. Soft skills such as communication, problem-solving, and teamwork are equally crucial for career progression. Enabling professionals to lead projects, explain complex issues to non-technical stakeholders, and collaborate effectively. Finally, let's look at the future outlook: growth and transformation. Emerging technologies like AI, IoT, and cloud computing are not just buzzwords. They are fundamentally reshaping ICT maintenance roles. Professionals need to adapt to managing AI-driven systems, securing IoT networks, and optimizing cloud infrastructure. This evolution directly impacts future salaries, creating demand for new skill sets. The most lucrative specializations for the next 5 to 10 years will undoubtedly be in these areas: AI and machine learning support, advanced cybersecurity, and cloud computing management. Companies will continue to pay a premium for experts in these fields due to the ongoing skill shortage. For aspiring and current professionals, actionable steps to maximize earning potential include continuously upskilling in these emerging technologies, pursuing advanced certifications, and developing strong soft skills. The IT job market is projected to see significant growth and salary increases of 8 to 10% in 2026, driven by these demands. Staying agile and committed to learning is key to a rewarding and high-earning career in ICT maintenance.